Hello, moneymakers. DeepSeek AI has been popping up everywhere lately. Created by a Chinese tech company, it seems like every news outlet and influencer is talking about it. But is it actually worth using for content creation? Could it be better than ChatGPT Plus? In this video, I'll walk you through how I personally use DeepSeek AI for my content creation business. I'll also share a surprisingly profitable niche you can start working on right away to make money online. Best of all, I'm not just going to tell you how it works. I'll show you step by step as I create a real video using DeepSeek and a few other AI tools. So grab a cup of coffee, and you'll see exactly how DeepSeek AI can boost your content game and help you earn more online. Let's get started. All right, to find out how DeepSeek AI performs, in today's video, I'll show you how to create horror story videos using DeepSeek AI and other AI tools. Take a look at this channel called Mr. Nightmare. A single video posted just a day ago has already gained 400,000 views. And it's not just this one. Many channels in this niche are thriving because people love watching this kind of content. That's why horror storytelling channels perform so well. So stay tuned as I break down the complete process step by step. First, we'll head over to DeepSeek AI, but before that, let's gather all the important details about this reference channel. We'll copy the channel's key information and paste it into DeepSeek AI to see how well it can analyze and understand the content style. Now, open DeepSeek AI and type, "Analyze this channel," then paste the copied information and hit enter. Let's see how accurately DeepSeek AI breaks down this channel's style and content. And as you can see, DeepSeek AI has provided an extremely accurate analysis. It has broken down everything in detail: what kind of stories this channel creates, the average video length, best performing videos, niche category, engagement rate, consistency, theme, and much more. That's impressive. So, if you ever need video scripts or topic ideas from any channel, first, you need to give DeepSeek a complete set of information like this. Alright, now let's generate video titles using DeepSeek. For that, I have already prepared a special prompt, which I've saved in my Google Doc. You can access it by joining my WhatsApp channel using the link given below. This prompt is specifically designed for DeepSeek AI. Just copy the prompt, head over to DeepSeek, and paste it. Sometimes DeepSeek might show a server busy error, so you may need to try 2 or 3 times. It took me a couple of tries as well. And here you go. Since I had already provided the channel details of Mr. Nightmare earlier, DeepSeek is now generating titles based on that data. DeepSeek understands the entire format perfectly. It even picked up example titles from the channel's data on its own. Not only does it generate similar formatted titles, but it also ensures they are SEO-friendly. And here are our titles. For example, 3 disturbing true hidden room stories, along with a clickable, curiosity-inducing phrase in brackets like, "with real footage." Just by looking at it, you can tell people will be eager to click. And guess what? All 20 titles are SEO optimized and highly clickable. That's amazing. Honestly, ChatGPT doesn't provide such results. Even after a lot of explaining, it might still not understand the exact format. But these titles generated by DeepSeek don't feel AI generated at all. They're 100% clickable and audience friendly. This is awesome. You can generate as many titles as you want using this method. Wait, we work really very hard to create these videos for you and bring in the best possible niche without you paying a single dollar. Therefore, I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel. Trust me, bro, it will cost nothing to you, but it will mean a lot to me. Alright, now that we have the perfect video titles, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Writing scripts. And yes, we will also be using DeepSeek for this. And trust me, you'll be shocked by the results. First, choose any one of the topics from the list. Then go to my Google Doc, which I've shared in my WhatsApp channel. From there, copy this specific prompt, and remember, this is not just any random prompt. I've put in a lot of effort, testing multiple prompts to create the perfect one for DeepSeek. This prompt is highly detailed and quite long, so all you need to do is add your chosen title, copy the entire prompt, and paste it into DeepSeek AI. And the result? Beyond expectations. Just look at the story. It feels like it was handwritten by a real person. The flow is so natural, there are no AI-sounding phrases, and the sentences are well structured. From start to finish, it's just perfect. There's nothing robotic about it at all. And honestly, this is even better than ChatGPT. This way, you can create a perfect, natural-sounding horror video script using DeepSeek AI. And with that, our script writing step is complete. Now we have the script ready, but where do we get images and footage for the story? For that, we'll use DeepSeek AI again. Go back to my Google Doc and copy the third prompt I've provided. Now, paste it into DeepSeek AI. This prompt will generate detailed image prompts based on the story. And if you feel like you need more prompts, just ask DeepSeek AI to generate additional ones. So now we have our image prompts ready. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Voiceover. For voiceovers, you can use 11 Labs AI. You're probably already familiar with it. First, sign in and go to the voice library. Then, select age, gender, and language. I'll go with a female voice for this video. Next, under the narrative and story section, choose a smooth and calm voice that fits a horror story. After testing multiple voices, I've selected Alicia's voice for my video. Now paste the script into 11 Labs, generate the voiceover, and download the final audio. And just like that, our voiceover is ready. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Generating images. For this step, I'll share 2 free AI tools you can use. The first one is Leonardo AI. Once inside, go to Presets and select the lifelike version for the most realistic results. Now copy the prompt from DeepSeek AI and paste it into Leonardo AI. And boom, your images will be ready in seconds. Second tool, Piclumen AI. This is another free tool you can use right now. Sign into your Piclumen account. From the dashboard, select the Create option. Set the number of images and choose the Flux model for better quality. Hit Generate. And here's the result. Piclumen's quality is actually better than Leonardo AI. So I personally recommend using Piclumen AI for the best images. Other options. If you have access to paid tools, you can use those too. For example, I have a Midjourney subscription, so I use DeepSeek AI's prompts to generate these high-quality images. But for free options, Piclumen and Leonardo AI are the best choices. Alright, step 4 is complete. Now I know that creating multiple videos every week can be incredibly challenging and time-consuming. Finding topics, writing scripts, editing, and managing your channel might feel overwhelming at times. That's why, for the first time ever, I'm introducing our exclusive Done-for-You program. My dedicated team and I will handle the entire video creation process for you, from brainstorming unique content ideas to scripting, editing, and even optimizing your videos for maximum reach. So if you have the budget to outsource, book a free consultation call with me to discuss how our Done-for-You program can transform your channel. Click the link in the description below. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 5. Converting images into video. For this step, you can use Video AI or Hailuo AI to turn your images into videos. Simply upload the images, and in a few moments, the tool will generate a smooth, animated video for you. Here's the result from Video AI. The second tool, Hailuo AI, works the same way. Just upload the images, and it will create a video. However, it takes a little longer to process, so I had already generated the video in advance. And here's the result from Hailuo AI. Not all images need to be converted into videos. Only the key scenes should be animated to keep the storytelling engaging. So follow this process to generate animated scenes one by one. With this, step 5 is complete. Now let's move to step 6, editing. For editing, I will use CapCut desktop app, but you can use any software you prefer. First, import all the images, videos, and voiceover into the software. Then, add the voiceover to the timeline. Now, align the images and videos scene by scene according to the voiceover. To remove the watermark, crop it out like this. Adjust the 16:9 frame by stretching the video properly. Next, go to Effects, Nature, and add misty rays or frost for a spooky horror feel. You can also slow down the speed and adjust the atmosphere to make it more eerie. Finally, add background music to enhance the suspense. Now, go to YouTube Audio Library and select a horror-themed music track that suits your video. Download it and import it into CapCut. Then, add it to the timeline. Next, go to Filters and apply the Clear filter, or try different ones to see which looks best. And that's it. Your video is now ready. To make the thumbnail, we will use DeepSeek AI. Go back to DeepSeek AI and ask, "Can you give me a prompt to generate a thumbnail image for the above story?" DeepSeek AI will generate a detailed prompt for the thumbnail. Now, copy the prompt and open Piclumen AI. Paste the prompt and select the Flux model for high-quality results. The AI will generate the thumbnail image, but if you see unwanted text, remove that part from the prompt and regenerate the image. Both images look great. I will go with this one. Now, to add text, go to Canva and search for horror thumbnail. Choose a template. Upload your generated thumbnail image and add text as per your style. And that's it. Your thumbnail is ready. Now add your text, whether it's the story title or any other headline that grabs attention. And that's it. This is how you can create a complete video using DeepSeek AI step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. It's a small request to all of you. Now, let's watch the final demo video.
It was a crisp autumn morning when I decided to hike the Black Ridge Trail. I'd done it a dozen times before, just a peaceful, secluded path through the woods. But that day was different. Something was off from the very beginning. I remember the air felt heavier than usual, like the forest was holding its breath. The sunlight barely pierced through the canopy, casting long, jagged shadows across the trail. I told myself it was just the season, the way the light changes in the fall. But deep down, I knew it was more than that. About an hour into the hike, I started hearing it. Footsteps, not mine. They were faint at first, just a soft crunching sound behind me. I stopped, thinking it might be another hiker. But when I turned around, nothing. Just the empty trail and those same shadows stretching toward me.